different reasons. It's purely coincidental that this day happened to be where we are sitting to celebrate something very close to my heart, as where can we lead the new India together. And in the presence of people who warm my heart across many things, one thing that always hasn't happened, and I had the fortune of spending a whole few weeks in US and then coming back and spending with my brother who we will introduce in a few minutes, is where we have forgotten that when we want to create something big, we always look to the West. But if we turn the clock back, to create the future, you need to start looking at not just a logo that represents a name built 3,000 years ago that still stands the test of time, called Colosseum, an organization that has stood the test of time for 15 years, and launching into the next leap is go to the fundamentals of why India stands as the base foundation of value, tradition, cultures, is Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, and Acharya Devo Bhava. If you remember these three as your foundational pillars, and to Atithi Devo Bhava, all those were written as the foundational principles on which you can build empires. It is just that we have forgotten a little bit of them in the glitz of trying to build another Facebook, another Twitter, another LinkedIn, and one more WhatsApp. Let's use those tools built by the West to build the new India. Is the new gen with me?
Yeah.
So these platforms are that purpose. These serve that purpose. When we are building, we give token service to all the big discussions on platforms like these, which generate, by the way, a ton of stage fear. Stage fear is kind of three types. And I will give you the clue to this next generation on how to deal with it. Stage fear for some of the centurions, as we call the family of Colosseum. 1.0 stage fear is, you want to say a million things, you stand, you look at everyone and you forget everything. You blank out. That's the regular stage fear. When you spend enough time on stage, for example like Charan, that's stage fear 2.0, where he's afraid that we'll ask him to get off the stage. Give us a chance. That is Charan's stage fear. And Charan plus 10 years, if we let him continue at this pace, the audience will experience the stage fear of when he will get down. So the beauty of a gathering like this is that we think of Indian get-togethers as family reunions. That's how you should see when your companies get together. Don't call them ecosystem partners, vendors, clients, suppliers. Think of them as a family and really believe in it. And that always doesn't come with a good context. Sometimes family means people you absolutely want to spend time with and people you wish they won't come to that function. All big get-togethers come with a kind of theme. But when we just say Matru, Pitru, Acharya and Atithi, include them in your next journeys. That's the one thing